How to change email address on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your email address on Facebook. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook application. Once you do so, you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and you want to tap on gear or the settings icon there. Once you do so, you can see there's options under account. You can see personal and account information option, right? You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see name, contact info and identity confirmation. You want to tap on the option that says contact info, and here you can see you'll get the option to add your phone number and add email address. Simply tap on add email address and you'll be able to add an email address here. You can simply enter in your additional email address and then tap add email address. Now enter first adding your new email address, and then you can go ahead and remove your previous one by simply tapping on it, and there you'll get the option to remove it. So this is the way you can change your email address on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.